All right, guys, you want to go on a ride in my big green tractor? Of course you did. All right, so we picked up a John Deere 2940. I believe it's 91 engine horsepower, 82 PTO horsepower, and 80 something drawbar, I believe. Looks to be in pretty good shape. It is high hours. The farmer that works that cornfield there told me that it would be very important for me to have a four-wheel drive tractor. It's got 7,700 hours. So it's getting up there in time. The tires are in pretty decent shape. It's had some work done to it. Doesn't look like this is a turbocharged model. It looks just to be naturally aspirated. The hydraulic pump by hand here has been replaced. You can clearly tell that. It's got a block heater of some sort, or heater. Looks like it might be attached to the fuel system, so this must just be some sort of heating element. We've got steps here, and like I said, it's got 7,700 hours on it, 7755.9. Paint looks to be in pretty good shape. It doesn't really seem to smoke a lot. We're gonna get this thing undone from the chains, carefully and slowly get this thing off of here. We only went about 2 hours away to pick this up, so we're gonna get it. Let's get it undone, and we'll do a startup on it. I like to try to bounce those right into the middle. I can think I can do it with these ones. I think he said he might have left this in gear. thing is really actually pretty badass. And I love that it has power steering. As we're going to be sticking a loader on this. A friend of ours actually has not a John Deere brand, but a different brand loader that we're going to put on the front of this. So, yeah, it's great. It's absolutely great. So it didn't smoke much. It doesn't look like it's smoking much. So that's a very good sign. So got to get our trailer cleaned up because we've got something to do with the flatbed tomorrow. All right, who wants to take a ride on the big green tractor? All right, let's see what we got here. So that concludes the video on the 2940 we brought home today. We are going to be putting on a loader. Our friend of ours has a non-John Deere brand loader for the front end of this that will fit. We're going to be painting it John Deere green and cleaning it up and putting it on the front end of this tractor. He's got, I think, a bale spear and forks for it. And we'll probably eventually down the road outfit that with quick attach. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll continue bringing more videos of things around the homestead. Thanks.